Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Highlander air filter. First, open your hood and find the air filter housing, typically a black box on the passenger side. Unclip the metal fasteners or unscrew the bolts securing the cover. Gently lift the cover and pull out the old filter. Notice its orientation for correct replacement. With the old filter out, take a moment to inspect the housing. Look for any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe down the inside of the housing, ensuring it's free from dirt. Make sure the housing is completely dry before proceeding to the next step. Now, take your new air filter and carefully insert it into the housing. Pay attention to the direction. There's usually an arrow indicating airflow. Once the filter is seated properly, place the housing cover back on. Ensure it aligns correctly, then fasten all the clips or screws to secure it tightly. After everything is secured, start your Toyota Highlander and listen for any unusual sounds, confirming the filter is installed correctly. It's a good practice to note the date of this replacement in your maintenance log, helping you remember when to check it next. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.